Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the pericardium and kind of give you guys the basics to what is the pericardium, what does it look like, and what is the importance of the pericardium for the heart. So the pericardium itself, it's a double-walled sac that surrounds the heart. So it's a continuous layer, which means basically we have this pericardium, this thin sheet of serous membrane coating the very outside layer of the heart muscle. So imagine this yellow is the outside, but then it folds over itself and forms this little pocket around the heart, something like this. Okay, and this pocket is going to be filled with serous fluid. So the linings of the pericardium are going to secrete a serous fluid, which is called basically the pericardial liquor, and it's going to fill this space. And what this does is that it helps lubricate the heart. So the heart's constantly going to be pumping, and as it pumps, it's going to be creating friction and heat. And this serous pericardial liquid is allowing the heart to efficiently move within the pericardium. Now, the pericardium has a few different layers. We have, I'll write this in black, this most internal layer. This is the visceral pericardium. Then what we have is the parietal pericardium. On the outside. Now there's still one more layer of the pericardium, and that's on the outside. We actually have a fibrous layer of the pericardium, and this just lines the outside layer like this, not on the inside. Something like that. And you'll see here I've kind of drawn the pericardium extending onto these greater vessels at the top. That is the case. It's going to be continuous with the vessels as well as the heart. So another thing that I would like to point out, before I move on, let me just label this in green. In green we have the fibrous capsule of the pericardium. Perfect.